We got a phone mount right here. This is a 3-in-1 phone mount. This is the car phone mount. We got the air vent clip. This is the clip that goes to the air vent. This is the air vent clip part right here. You clip this, you push it in. It's a solid clip. Very strong clip right here for your air vent. Super strong clip. Boom. This is the suction mount. You can mount this onto your dash or you can mount it on your windshield. This thing can move. You can have this arm right here. You loosen this and you can rotate this arm right here. The arm can extend or collapse right there. So extend the arm and you can move this up and down wherever you want. Extend, collapse. There's the extended arm. And you can stick this on your windshield or your dash. Very easy. Either use this thing or you can use this one to attach it to your air vent. Both of these have the ball mount right here. Boom. This is the piece the ball mount attaches to. Undo the nut. Take out the nut. Put the nut on this side right here. Push this piece into your phone mount and it snaps in. Then use this nut to tighten it up. The tighter you tighten it, the less you can move around. You can rotate your phone 360 degrees like that all around. Very cool pivot. When you put your phone in, you close up. When you're ready to release, you push the button. So smooth. Let me put my phone right here. Put my phone right here. Push to the side and then it locks my phone. That's a solid mount right there. The phone ain't going nowhere. This thing right here, you got to push it up and down, change the angle, push it in or out. Easy, right? Pull it out. If you want extension, you rotate this, rotate that, rotate the landscape, rotate it upside down, wherever you want. Very versatile. This thing, once you're locked in, it holds it in place. It's solid. That's rigid. That's a rigid phone mount. This is the FBB phone mount right here. You can use the extended arm right here, or you can use the air vent mount right here. Very easy. This is the FBB phone mount for your car. 3-in-1. Oh yeah.